Hi, today I will show you how to create a custom sign-up for your users and how to give your guest users the opportunity to upgrade their accounts. So first we create the standard registration process and set our registration response, where we will just create a new user. And also we create a new event, upgrade guest account, where we will pass the username, display name, password, and email address from the guest user and upgrade their guest account. For upgrading the guest account, we will basically change the user's details. So his display name is username, and we will create a password for this user. To change the user details inside the GamesBox collection, we have to create a change user details request and send it to GamesBox. Here we have to check if the old password has a length of 0, because our guest users don't have a password inside the GamesBox collection. We will create a new database entry. It's called password recovery. It will later give our users the opportunity to recover their password, and this entry will also store the email address of our user. inside of the authentication response, we now have to check if the player already exists, because we have to differentiate between our guest users and the registered ones.